This is video number 2 on the video series, how to build your online marketing business system. So hi, my name is Jen, and it's all about defining and creating a very solid front end offer, and also how you utilise other people's money to generate the high quality leads and clients into your system by building this robust, sustainable online business system when it comes to your marketing practices. There's so much more as well, and if you haven't seen the first video, I recommend you go see video number 1 in this series, just to give you a bit more of an overview as to my mission, my aim in these 30 video series. There's a lot to get your head around. So if you are wanting to create some sort of robust and sustainable and reliable type system in your business, so you know month on month roughly how much money you're going to bring in, so then you also know the number of clients you can bring in, and you get to the point where you know your numbers. I've been in the health and fitness industry since 2012. I've had 4 offline businesses before, 4 offline indoor cycling studios, 2 in China, 2 in Shanghai. 2 in Shanghai, China, 2 here in Leeds in the UK. And I have been in that position before, where I was running around on that hamster wheel, forever trying to chase my tail to bring in the high quality leads and clients. And I knew that I needed some sort of system when I got burnt out, when I got frustrated with my business, and when I got depressed, essentially. So if I knew then what I know now, I would have done things a hell of a lot different. So this is what I want you to gain from these videos. I'm going to be using a live example. His name's John, and I want you to understand what I do in order to help my clients build this system. And if you want me to help you in any way, I also offer a 2-week free trial, but more to follow at the end of the video. But anyway, if this sounds of interest, then awesome. More to follow after this. Okay, welcome back. I'm here dedicated to helping you driven business owners and online coaches how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business without all the tech overwhelm. If you're brand new to my channel, then I'd like to welcome you here. I actually offer a contest each week. If you'd like to receive my business bundle, which includes a lead generation fix service, a business survival kit, there are 2 free trainings in there, along with a done for you funnel, then feel free to subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments. That's all you need to do in order to enter. But I would like to know exactly where you are anyway, regardless, so feel free to leave a comment. What marketing strategies are you doing right now for your business? Most likely you are either learning the process or building a system into your business, or you're doing things in a very traditional way. So for example, you're flyering on the street, you are working hard with word of mouth, you are maybe also just posting online like a Kardashian, and you probably are now realising that those sorts of methods are great. They obviously, I'm not discounting them, but they can only get you so far. And in this video series, it's all about giving you insight into how we can build this machine for you, so you can have a reliable and predictable way of generating leads into your business. And this video is about the actual offer. Now, most businesses, unfortunately, in this industry, due to COVID-19, pandemic of 2020, we've had to shut up shop, and it's been heartbreaking for a lot of people, and it's been a huge shame as well. And I have been through the stresses of running offline businesses before in a completely different type of way, situation. However, just seeing my friends over the last few months having to close up shop, and actually not even reopening once we were given the green light to open up our gyms, I could relate, because I've been in painful situations before where I've had to make business decisions where maybe something wasn't working. I had to close down a shop or or gym I should say. So it's been tough, and this is where I am right now in my business journey. So since 2012 I've learned a hell of a lot. I've been in the online journey since 2014, just before my son was born, because naturally my role as a person changed. I was from Jen to a mum. So I looked into online practices, 2014. So a few years actually in this whole online arena, as well as running multiple businesses in 2012. So I feel now I'm here to pay back. So this is all about the offer. I want to make these videos obviously very short and concise and to the point, but I also do feel like you probably need to maybe know more about me if you're the first time joining the channel. But yes, if I knew exactly then what I know now, I would have done things this way, because it would have saved me a lot of money, a lot of stress, and it would have saved me a lot of frustrations as well. And that's why I'm here right now relaying this information onto you. So it's all about the offer. I have no idea, obviously, where you are with how much income you need for your business. Now, most people like to have that £10,000 a month income. It's just a golden number that most people like to strive towards, and that's great. I would like to meet expectations on a sort of safer level, because again, I don't know your level of understanding or expertise when it comes to all this online stuff. I've been in it for a few years now on the online world, and it does take a while to get your head around. So I could be throwing out certain terms, or I don't mean to, but using certain phrases that you may not even have heard of before. So I'm going to lower down that £10,000 of income per month, and let's just say our target is 5,000. I don't know if that excites you. I don't know if that's workable for you, or if your rent is £5,000 a month for your gym. Who knows? I don't know. And again, if you would like to work with me, we can have a chat more. So more details on that, about my 2-week trial at the end of this video. But let's just say the offer is what we're going to be talking about, and £5,000 is the target throughout this 30 days. Because if you were to implement everything in these videos, you will get to 5,000 if you do the work, or if you get some form of help. So what lots of people did do, you might be one of those gyms or PTs, they actually went online because of the pandemic. You don't necessarily need a gym in order to help people lose weight, and the online course industry has absolutely blown up. It was already getting to that point before the pandemic of 2020, but now even more so there's a strong need. And I actually released my course, which you can find in the link below, transform your offline service to online. I'll also leave a link around this video as well. And I released that before the pandemic. So I've always been a big believer of you shifting, if not some or all of your business from offline to online, just so you can safeguard yourself should anything in the future happen in your business. But more about that in another video. So back to the offer, you need a strong front-end offer. Let's say our target is £5,000 of income per month. Let's just say, as a sweet point that I found with my clients, the offer would be something in the region of, that you offer a programme in the region of £197 to, let's say, £500. Anything sort of below that, you're not going to be able to hit your target. Anything over that, it ends up being more of a big ask to get that commitment from a prospect when you're talking to them on the phone. So I always find £197 being key. Now, most PTs or gym owners would feel comfortable offering a full-week program for that. So if you haven't got a program already in place, that's something that you and I can talk about. I've actually got another video somewhere on my channel about how to create a course. If you haven't got a course ready to roll out, that could be for something of £197. But remember, this is a front-end offer. This is essentially, we're building the break-even back-end model. And it's not so much what you make on the front end. If you do make some profit, that's great, but it's all about breaking even. Because if you break even and you get your numbers right, the money is made off the back end. The money is made during the long-term value that you have out of your clients. If you've got someone who purchases your front-end offer, the program, which is 4 weeks for £197, but then you have an aftercare service that is month on month, and you have a long-term value customer of like 6 to 9 months, that's when you make your money. So if you build this machine with the help of Facebook ads to power the leads coming into your machine, to then churn them out and for them to be long-term clients, this is what the system is. This is the system that we're building. So again, going back to the offer, depending on if you have a program or not, try and price something right now. Make yourself a note, something around £197 to £500. I would always say £197. If your target's 5,000, all you need to do is just divide that. So 5,000 divided by £197, that will work out that you would need in the month 25 people, 25 sales to make your £5,000. And then remember, you make more money because off the back end you're going to have a percentage of people, we aim for 75% conversion, people continuing to work with you. So hopefully I haven't lost you. Let me know what you think, let me know your offer. Write down maybe your program, what it would detail. I always think 4 to 6 weeks is the length of program. I like to keep it within 4 weeks, but if you have a 6-week program all ready to roll out, you could do 6 weeks, not a problem at all. Let me know your price point as well. Let me know if it actually made sense. I hope you haven't lost you already. And yeah, more to follow in the next video, which is video number 3. If you like this video, then feel free to like, subscribe. I've got that contest that I offer, remember, if you want to enter that, and hit the link below. It brings you to my all my programs you can invest in. You can also enjoy the free trainings in there as well, and that 2-week free trial that I mentioned. If you are just a little bit impatient, or you want results quickly and you don't have the time to go through all these 30 videos, I do offer a 2-week free trial where I set up everything for you. I ask you to put £200 Facebook spend into the campaign, and then at the end of the 2 weeks I talk about your results. If I can't get your results, we won't have a forward conversation about working together, but my aim is to get you results. I'm a results-based driven type coach, and my aim is to get you results, and if I was to get you the results that we both are happy with, then I can continue and offer like future services. But that's where we are with this video. Let me know what you think. And again, I do believe that your business is an extension of you, and I know that you're a hard worker, and I know that you've been trying to maybe figure this thing out, generating a high quality leads and clients into your business, because I've been there before. So stick with me, let me know your process on these videos, and yeah, we're all here to make a dent in this world, so let's do this. I'm here in your corner. More to come in the next video.